other. Okay.
Sir, actually, I was asking about hypothesis.
No, I have not discussed hypothesis here.
Okay,
So
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It's
Hypothesis
okay,
is
sir.
the today's topic.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, I
because
have discussed my problem with you, and please suggest me a solution. How can I
what
make that source card and note card? Sir, whether I can make it in my Android office, the app which I have downloaded in my phone.
no. Just do one thing.
Hmm, hmm,
Just
hmm.
download the papers, take print out, and do it manually. Okay.
I have to do it manually. Okay.
Yeah. After that, you have to prepare a report on the Word file. Okay. As a
Yes, sir.
literature review. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Because everything cannot happen online. Getting my
Yes,
point?
sir. Yes, sir. Some point digitalization may
Is
betray you at
definitely
some point.
because we all are the human beings. We are not a robot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We all are the human beings. We are not robot. So we must consider about that because
Sir, sir,
lots
sorry to
of
interrupt you. Sir, please share some of the examples or models of source card or note card,
okay,
which you
no
which you
problem.
have told
I
us
will
to
share
do
this
50
thing.
source card and 50 note cards last class.
What I have shared to you, what's
Yes,
my
sir.
statement is that when you
Mm-hmm.
will prepare
Hmm.
literature review, when you
Yes, sir.
prepare
Hmm.
literature review,
Hmm.
then you have to download research paper through the various general, various websites, various books like that. Means you are going to inquire about your questions and what other author are going discuss it. Okay. After that, you have to prepare your conclusion. Otherwise, your question is maybe vanish. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Means point is that if
Hmm.
we are thinking, I have already said, if today I am thinking that I have to organize a international conclave
Yes, sir.
on
Hmm.
on creativity development. Okay.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
So when I discuss this topic with you, ki I want to prepare and I want to conduct an international conference on the creativity development,
Hmm.
then it is clear that we are going to conduct an event.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it is clear. Or if it is clear that we are going to conduct an event, it means for the event we have to do lots of arrangements, like who will be your audience, what will be the schedules, which types of topics to be discussed, which types of programs we have to manage, who have who are, all are going to be a resource person for this event. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what will be the menu, what will be the accommodation, what will be the visa, tickets, and other expenses, who will be the sponsor. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
And how we will take the sponsorship fees, how we will take the participation fees, and like that. So we have to conduct the event. It is okay. This is one problem. This is only one problem. Okay,
Okay.
but when we think about this problem, we have identified more than 10 problems. We
Yes,
have
sir.
already identified. I have shared with you. Yes, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hossein, you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Getting my point? What I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So for that we have to study various literature review books, mechanism, strategy books, and strategy papers, research papers, books and journals, and like that. Then, after the finding of at least 50 research papers or literature review or books and likes and documents and whatever this, we will prepare each source code and note code on each literature review what we have collected. Okay. Then you have to prepare a consolidated report that will known as the literature review. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That will be known as the literature review.
Review.
Why I am going to assign this task to you, that you have to prepare the literature review? Basic reason is that you all are going to be expert, all are going to be expert in the same domain. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you are not expert and you are not aware about your domain area, then how you are going to do the research? Because we have to search first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we have to get the concept clarity. Okay. What other audience, other authors, other speakers, other expert, other scientists, other literature, other philosopher, what they are saying about this topic? Okay. Because you know, here in India, in the last year, every year we have to upload the research topic on the Source Ganga and another thing. Okay. So if your topic and other topic is same, then
Yes,
how
sir.
you will do the research? Okay. Because as per the characteristics correct concerned, your research topic may be unique, must be unique, na?
Yes, sir. It must be different from others.
Yeah. If it is not unique, then how you will claim that this is your research? How you will going to claim? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if you are going to claim this is my research, it means you must know about their concept, their methodology, their mechanism, their supporting document, all the things you must have with you. Okay. So that's why literature review is a very important area. And as per the standard mechanism, mainly six chapter included in the any thesis or dissertation. 6 chapter. Okay. First chapter is that what's about the problem, means that is the introduction about that. What was the problem?
Introduction. Background story.
Okay. What was the problem? What's their scope? Why we are doing a study? What's the reason? Which types of mechanisms you are going to adopt, and like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means that part are also included in the synopsis. Okay. Second part of the thesis or second chapter of the thesis
Background.
Background
must be
story.
background study. Okay.
Review previous thesis.
It must include the literature review, previous work. Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, after the studying of this previous work, you have to make a strategy towards the solution of your problem. Okay.
Means
Make the
methodology.
strategy.
Methodology to
that
solve
is
problem.
that is the method, which way you are going to solve the problem.
Strategy for, yeah.
Okay. Which way you are going to solve the problem. And fourth part is that
Designing this.
what is your finding? What is your finding? Okay. Means after study, after mechanism, what you get? Maybe algorithm, maybe concept, maybe theory, maybe simulation. What you get? Okay. And next chapter is the fifth chapter, that is called the discussion and analysis.
Based on the findings.
Uh, based on
Collection
the
of data. By
yeah,
collecting data, what we have achieved.
based on the finding, and after that you are going to conclude and identify the
Execution.
future work of your research, because you are not going to solve the entire problem. Okay, because in solution of entire problem it is again very big things. Okay, for example, as an example, I have already discussed that is the latest and very important things. We all are the witness of the research, very latest research, that is
Pandemic.
vaccination of the corona virus.
Yes, sir.
That is the latest research. Okay, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Latest research, and the research is that during March, people was thinking about that what is all about the coronavirus. They don't
Yes.
know what is the virus.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
After that, they don't know what are the symptoms of this virus.
Hmm.
They don't know how it affects to the
How it
people.
spreads also.
Okay, how it's affect and how it's spread.
Hmm.
And after that, after the solution of this entire problem, they made a vaccination. Means what's the
Hmm.
treatment? Okay. And after the finding of the treatment, they do marketing also.
Yes. Number of companies are in the world. There.
Yeah. And now we are enjoying the vaccination.
Yes. Yes.
Means my point is that if you are going to do the research, means entire thing is with you. If you are going to do the academic research, okay, if you are going to do the academic research, it means you are not going to commercialize your document. You are not going to commercialize in the case of academic research. Okay. But
Then
in
what is the purpose of academic research?
just getting the degree or enjoying the name of the doctor.
Okay.
What the purpose is that? I'm not going to share that, because people are just enjoying the title or suffix in the name of the him or her. That is a doctor name. You want to include before your name. Okay. But mainly, as a I am sharing my view, more than 500 Viva I was attended for the PhD and DBA and PDF and like that. Around 94-95% PhD is just like academic PhD, academic doctorate. Okay.
Sir,
Without,
please suggest the academic PhD. I have not listened. Give some introduction. I can listen it.
yeah, academic research means you are not going to commercialize your concept.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Or if you are going to commercialize your concept through the patent, copyright, or trademark in the manner of the IPR. Okay.
Hmm.
I have already told you.
IPR or patent or something like that. To
Yeah,
preserve
IPR.
the right of the research. Yeah.
Yeah, in intellectual property rights.
Intellectual property rights.
For example, in the case of software, if you are going to create the software, like I'm going to exercise on the topic that is the life-saving software.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
life-saving software services. For example, okay, means at least research is going on, but very few people are doing on research on the life-saving software services. Okay, so they will do the copyright, they will do on the trademark. Okay, but At least if they will convert into form of the product, they will do the patent. Okay.
Exactly.
If document is patented, then at every patent, every work, every product, you will enjoy, you will enjoy
The benefit,
royalty.
royalty. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you will enjoy your royalty, means at least you work too hard, and that's why you are enjoying your royalty. Okay. But in the case of academic work, academic research, you are not going to enjoy the royalty. Okay. Because that you have not patented your document, you have not copyrighted, and you don't have any trademark and like that IPR path. Okay. Or you are not going to commercialize your concept and theory and like that. That is for the only for discussion and deliberation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For example, why our nose is look like that? Okay. Why our nose is look like that? That is a research.
Okay. It's very metaphorical, I think.
Huh?
It is quite metaphorical, sir, I think.
Yeah. And you will prepare around 200 300 page of document and then submit that, you will get qualified as a doctorate from the university. Getting my point? You will get the qualified doctorate degree, but it may be and might be you will get the and avail the facility of the copyrights, trademarks, and IPRs. Because
Sir,
this
in
is
case
the,
of commercialization of a research paper, it must be very
I'm not going to the commercialization of the research papers. I'm saying that commercialization of a research, not papers.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Because research paper is your concept, you are just sharing with the public, and they are going to give that is, you are sharing your idea with the public, and they are going to input on the topics.
so they will give their
This is your
feedback.
view. This is your view.
Okay.
Okay. But if you are going to share the copyrights or patent, and if anyone are going to use this your concept, theories, algorithm, and going to develop the product, and that for product they are going to sell through the scalable business. Scalable business means you will enjoy the royalty. Okay. Hussein, any question?
Yes, sir. I just waiting for you finish first,
Yeah,
not to
please,
interrupt in between your talk.
please.
Okay. Actually, sir, my expectation for the doctorate program and the way we are going, I am just a bit confused that actually where I am now. Just to clarify that my view so far, I have done all the traditional courses, or bachelor or masters. What you already discussed, that research is a bit different from all those courses that so far I have attended, or the degrees. So my concept was initially that the my idea or the my background on business studies, that is very little. I did on business administration course, but my mainly I did the engineering, and my present job or the trade also in the technical trade. I do lead the maintenance team in a oil and gas industry. It's a big team. I do the budgeting, I do the recruitment for the department, and also I take care of all the purchase things, take care of the maintenance issue, engine, generator, or everything. Just look after the engineers or the technician. Those work under me. They work in the field side. Policy making and other things I take care of. So while I studied or I decided to doctorate, I thought that my knowledge on the like marketing or the strategy or accounting finance that will be enhanced more, and on a specific subject I can get more knowledge or enhance my skill, so that my doctorate degree will be beneficial for my career development in future. Like if I want to be a CEO, my 5 years goal from now on. But now, if I continue on a research and I am struggling to find out a
Problem.
specific problem or topic that where I should concentrate, as I have limited knowledge on the business administration.
Okay.
So I yet to decide that, okay, which is the actually the problem, which area I should focus on, or which topic I should grab for my development, so that I actually get motivated from you that solve a problem and do the research that can be beneficial for the people, for the environment, for the world, whatever it is. But I am not getting any such thing due to my lack of knowledge or my background on business or any other thing. So how may I proceed that I can really capitalize this opportunity of the doctorate program in the coming days or the 2-3 years, whatever it takes? I can enhance my learning and also capitalize the degree in my career development. And if it is for the like I can make something unique, that is definitely a breakthrough for my career as well. So how can I do it or achieve it? What is your suggestion for me? I am actually struggling. I think, because I did masters from Australia, I did bachelor from Bangladesh in engineering, but now I think that where I am, as I am facing the difficulties, so there is many things to learn. So I am actually looking forward to you how you can guide me.
Actually, facing difficulty, it is a very big thing. And one more thing is that, congratulations in advance, you are facing difficulty. Okay, if you are facing difficulty, definitely you will achieve your goals. Okay, number one. So I'm going to congratulate you. You are facing a difficulty. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Number two is that, as per the specific area concerned, I have already told you, you are going to design any theory, concepts, algorithm, or strategy. Okay, or
Yeah.
simulation of the problems. Okay,
Yeah.
means this is not your problem. This is the entire problems of the lots of peoples. Okay, everyone want to be a success in their chosen area and their respective areas. Everyone want to be a success. Okay, but
Yeah.
how anyone can be success? Any person can be success only through the scientific methodology. Because if you are going to success, you have to convince the peoples. Or if you are going to convince the peoples, you have to complete data interpretation mechanism. Or if you don't have a data interpretation, fact and figure, then how you are going to convince anyone? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So your question is very, very relevant about this, because at this stage you learn lots of theory, concept, and algorithm, and you done lots of exercise prescribed by various author in a different books. Okay,
Yeah.
and they also given lots of problem, and they are also given the solution of that problem, and you did this, and you qualified to the BTech and mastered programs also, the UG, PG, and from a KG to PG. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now it is time to concentrate your topics, concentrate your knowledge to identify what is your problem. Okay, so that's why identification the problem is that you have given that the blue ocean strategy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the blue ocean framework strategy. Okay, Blue Ocean Business Development Challenges. Okay,
Yeah.
Blue Ocean Business Development Strategy. Such types of topic going to discover by you. Okay, it may be you are going to create a new theory for the Blue Ocean market. It may be you are going to create the Blue Ocean strategy for the forthcoming generation. Means you are going to create a theory or concept on that topic. Okay, so the thing is that whatever amount of narrow data you are going to discover, okay, and you are going to find out, and that will be the conceptualized to the publics, that will utilized by the publics. Okay, because today you are learning the document. Okay, no problem, you are learning the document, that's a very good thing. If your document is going to learn by someone in the form of book, you know what you are going to get the royalty of that book. Okay, royalty of book. If you are going to create a algorithm, or if these algorithms are utilized by the industry for the mass production, how much money you are going to utilize as a royalty? How much your money you are getting, you don't know.
Yeah.
So the thing is that you should not worry about that. You should not be confused right now. Okay, you are learning the scientific way to understand the fact and figures. Okay, scientific way to understand fact and figures, and you are just focusing a topic as an example of learning of this fact and figures, and based on that you have to prepare it scientifically, you have interpreted it scientifically, you have prepared a report scientifically, you have to convince people that I have prepared this report that is relevant and authentic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and after that, if you prepare the document that is relevant and authentic, that is approved, you will get the degree. And after that, you are going to convince the industry personnel also. This is my model, and this model is academic approved also. And this I am also claiming that that is the industry approved also. Try to do mass production based on this algorithm. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. But in that stage, I have a question that how the industry or for the research, okay, you guys will help me. But how the university or the system, like the university or management, how they will help us to convince the industry or commercialize this, or how then we will actually get help from you guys?
Actually, academic peoples are going to convince and going to support for the IPR part also, if your document is very authentic. Okay,
Okay.
and based on that, you have to convince the people, because convince the industry people also. Okay, because IPR is the very authenticate document at the worldwide. Okay, if your document is patented, if your document is patented, if document is fully copyright approved copyright, if document is fully trademark, means approved trademark, approved patent, then you should not worry about the mass production. Getting my point?
Yes, but sir, for the making a good research, like the what is the contribution from university would be?
This research will be yours, not university. Number one. Okay,
Yeah.
research will be yours. We are just guiding you in which way you have to do the research, which way you have to do the research report. We have to present which way you have to present the report, which way you have to record your research, and which way you have to fill IPR and other documents. Okay, and they will assist about that.
No,
But
no, sir. Sir, that is okay, sir. But
for
what I
example,
am
For example, I'm going to share, if your research is remarkable by the Nobel Prize, okay, getting my point. So
Yes, sir.
you are going to share this royalty with the university.
No,
Then the question is that this is your research. Getting my point?
but university
University
somehow get the benefit of that one of his student from the
as a alumni,
university who did the,
as a alumni, as a
yeah,
alumni,
alumni. Yeah, the reputation will be
reputation
tremendous.
part, that reputation parts maybe, but
Get
thing
more
is that
student and the ranking, world ranking, the it's all matters, sir.
yeah, it's all matter, but not direct benefit. Getting my point? Indirect benefit we will do and like that, but
No, sir. Sir, actually, I am asking that, okay, for the research, I may need some support, some during the hypothesis or during the data analysis, I may need to go some factory or some industry visit, but it may need in future. But how the university, like I am now in Bangladesh, the university is in a remote place, you are from separate place. How the coordination will be happen? It's if it all need to
actually
arrange by me or the
no, no,
university will
no. Actually,
sometime will help us to gathering
if
the data, do the
if
process.
no. Actually, you will do the field work. Okay, university are not going to gather your research. Okay, university is going to supervise your research. They are not going to do research. They university are not a researcher. Number
I
one.
understand that university will not do the research. I will do my research, but like for an industry visit or factory visit or doing the research on a specific topic, may I need to go field for a factory. So there is special permission may need. So in
So
that case,
yeah, university at that time university give the permission. Okay, university give the supporting documents and later also in the name of particular CEO and like that they will give you. Don't worry about that. Such
okay,
types
sir.
of such types of assistance that will be provided by the university. Okay,
Yeah.
you should not worry about that. University will give the letters. Okay,
No, sir.
and
Actually, Ori is because we are now all our things are remote. We are online. Actually, we don't. We are not in a position that okay, we are going and physically having the interacting with the management
but
or
at least
VC or
at least you have to identify. Otherwise, university will identify the people. Okay, because when you going to prepare your synopsis, getting my point. When you will prepare your synopsis, then everything will be clear. You should not worry about that. Okay. In the
okay, sir.
synopsis, in the
Thank you,
synopsis,
sir.
in the synopsis, everything will be clear. Which types of work you are going to do, where you are going to do, okay, what's the response, which types of strategy you are going to perform, okay, and what will be the environment, what will be the boundary, okay, what you are going to, which types of, which way you are going to sample and selections, sampling and survey, which types of questionnaire you are going to prepare, everything will be mentioned in the synopsis. Okay, you
Okay, sir.
and
Actually, sir, yeah, thank you. Because I am asking at beginning because in the middle of something, I don't lost my interest because I have very keen interest to complete the doctorate and make a good research. So that yeah,
you should not worry about that. You should not worry about that. Okay, getting my point.
okay, sir. Yeah.
Especially here at a university, I am a witness of all lots of research. Okay,
Okay.
lots of research. Okay, and I am also a witness of lots of uh, PhD doctorate degree. Okay, I supervise more than 20 doctorate and like that. So based on that, I'm going to share. You should not worry about these things. Okay, you should keep your document writing. You should keep your publication. Okay, you should keep about the IPR part. Okay, if any documents, if you are very convinced about the synopsis and very convinced about the strategy and you are going to get the IPR of particular research, you should not worry about that. You will commercialize this document. You should not worry. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, sir.
and as for the interest area, you should also not lose your interest, because have a patience, because research needs lots of time, lots of patience. I have already discussed earlier.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Okay, so let's start for today topic. Okay, let's start today topic. That's hypothesis. What do you mean with this hypothesis? Today I am going to discuss this concept because hypothesis. Because when you are going to do the research, you will prepare the assumption. Okay,
Yeah.
assumption means anything is that we are going to be a matter how to make the billion, how to be a billionaire in the 21 days. Okay,
Very good. Very good topic.
so the thing is that how to be a billionaire in 21 days. This is a very good topic. So this is the assumption, and you have also heard lots of research. Lots of people are going to say that we will make the strategy to make the billionaire within 21 days. Is it possible?
To me, it's actually unrealistic.
Yeah, unrealistic. But you know that if you are very uh, good mechanism to uh, compile the document, okay, and you are going to prepare a book, the cost of that book is only $1. Okay, within 21 days you are able to publish this book. Okay, cost of one book is $1. Okay,
Yeah.
and if we all are the fortune that, okay, or within after the 21 days you get more than 1 billion customers.
Huge. It's huge then.
Then what will happen?
It will give me that billionaire. It will make me millionaire.
You know,
Undoubtedly.
recently we are living in the information and communication age. Okay,
Yeah.
and we all are the witness of journey of the various companies and corporates. We all are the witness of various company and corporates. Okay, at least making of the 1 million customer, it is not easy task. It is not easy task, but a product that is known as the PUBG. Okay, a product name is the PUBG. He made 1 billion customer within 24 hours.
1 billion.
Yeah,
PUBG.
means just I'm going to share this is a concept because they make the customer.
24 hours. It's huge.
Means just a example because we are living in the information and communication technology, and recently people are just given in the Zoom. For example, we are conducting on the lecture on the Zoom and like that. You know the download down matlab number of download with the Zoom. You know how much?
Yes, sir.
As per the record today, we are going to discuss here. I'm going to check the number of download of the Zoom. I am going to on the Play Store. Try to check about that. Okay, try to check uh, the mechanism. How much downloaded till date? Zoom application.
Boom. Uh,
Yes,
Downloaded 500 million.
500 million. You try to understand. If you are going to make a product, a small product, then you are able to do this task. Okay.
Yeah.
So something is realistic, but it might be, and it may be happen. Be positive. Okay,
Yes,
be
sir.
positive means just like not a corona positive and like that. Okay, be positive. The thing is that because we all are the witness of corona, and we have witness of the big research, and commercialization of research also. Okay, I'm not blaming that what is going on, but as a research, as a curious mind, we can ask question about himself and herself and itself or myself also. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
is research. So the thing is that hypothesis is the assumption about the relation and between variables. Okay, means you are going to solve the problems and what's the relation between various problems, various variables. Okay, so hypothesis can be defined as a logical conjugated relations between two or more variables expressed in the form of testable statement. Okay, testable statement means people must validate it. Okay, we can't say that we will reach within 20 minutes on the Mars. We can't say this. Okay,
Yeah.
so the thing is that we can't reach between 1 minute at the Bangladesh, but we are talking here within 1 minute with the Bangladesh. Okay, logically we are talking, but in a physical movement we can't do that. Okay,
Yeah. Got it, sir.
so relationship are conjugated on the basis of the network of association established in the theoretical framework formulated for the research study. Okay, so that's why we need the hypothesis, because when you do the literature review, okay, after that you have to prepare any research question. Okay, research hypothesis question you will study, and after that you prepare the hypothesis of the research question. Then you will assume that anything that can vary can be considered as variables. Okay, can be considered as the variables. A variable is anything that can take or differing or the varying value. For example, age, production unit, absenteeism, sex, motivations, income, height, and weight. Okay, these are the variables. Same case in the case of the severity of the coronavirus. This is the variables.
Yeah. Very well.
What the statement of the vaccination drive? They can reduce the severity of the coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Yeah.
They are not going to say that this is the remedy of the coronavirus.
No.
They are not claiming that they will save us, but they will save us from 90% or 85%,
No, no, no,
like
no,
that.
no. They are not going to say that 90% or 80% or 60%. They are not claiming.
That's the government
They
will say
are
that.
just they are just claiming this injection is only for the reduce the severity of the coronavirus. They are
Yeah.
nothing. Okay. No 80%, no 90%, no 20%, no 100%. This is the statement of the medical practitioner.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the statement itself. Severity matlab variables. Okay.
Yeah.
Means no one are going to say that this is the right medicine or right remedies for the coronavirus.
If somebody say that all, no need to wear the mask, no need to stay in
Yeah.
home, no need lockdown.
No. So this is the statement. So the value can differ at various times for the same object or person, or at the same time for different object or person. Okay, means if someone are going to say that someone are recovered from the coronavirus, it may be their immune system is a very strong. Okay, if someone are not recovered, it means their immune system is
Very weak.
not strong. That's why it's happened.
Hmm.
That's why it's happened. Okay, so in this case the concern is that we are going to say that is the variables or attributes. So a variable is the characteristics that take on two or more value where the attribute is a specific value on the variable that is also known as the qualitatives. For example, the variable is sex, gender has the two attributes, maybe male and females, and like the transactor are like that. Okay, and the variable's agreement has a 5 attributes. Agreement has a 5 attributes. That's the strongly agreed, agree, natural, disagree, strongly disagree. In the case of the severity is the also variables. Severity is the also variables, and they have all various attributes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any questions? So the question is that hypothesis point of view, if I'm going to discuss that, means lots of hypothesis questions are there, means explanatory or extended variables. So the variables selected for analysis are called explanatory variables. Okay, and all the variables that are not related to purpose of the study but may affect the dependent variable or externals. Getting my point? Sometimes we collect all the information, which information is usable or not, but we have collected that. Okay, that's I'm going to see because just study the 50 research paper. People are going to discuss with the various issue. Okay, author are going to on various issue, but you can't do the lots of issue same times. You have to be very focused.
Yeah.
So dependent as versus independent variables, the variables that change in relationship to change in the another variables is called the dependent variables. The variable was change result in the change in the another variable is called the independent result. Or independent variable is the one that influence the dependent variables in either a positive or negative way. Okay? Or
Sir,
like
can you give example of dependent and independent variable?
the thing is that dependent variable concern is that in the cases of the we are going to test means if people die, okay, due to coronavirus, this is a very life example, okay, and based on the severity concern, okay, and people are not die with the coronavirus, okay, means lots of cases if people died with due to corona, means lots of other thing is that lots of government protocols are there, lots of government approvals required, lots of protocols required. If they are not died with the corona virus, we should not follow the guidelines. Okay, they are not dependent on that. Getting my point? So the same case, if you are going to do the research on that, and the research is not interrelated with the these topics, then we should not worry about that. That is not dependent. Okay. So independent variable is the one that influence the dependent variable either a positive or negative way. So this is the very big questions in terms of hypothesis. So variable may be dependent, independent, or like that. So here again we come in the hypothesis. So research hypothesis is the predictive statement. It is a dictative statement that relate an independent variable to the dependent variable. Okay, they are going to link. They are going
May
to
audible?
yes. They are going to link.
Sir, please
So
explain dependent variable. Actually, I don't get. I didn't understand it.
hypothesis must contain at least one independent variable and one dependent variable. Getting my point?
Sir, may I audible?
Yeah, I audible.
Actually, I don't understand independent variable and dependent variable.
Actually, the question is I have already shared. This is a statement means dependent or independent
Udipta,
variable.
can you please mute from your end? Noise is coming. Can you mute yourself?
Actually, question is that dependent and independent variables means the variable that change in relationship. Okay, to change in another variable is called the dependent. Means when you relate someone. Okay, when you relate someone, their concept, their idea is going to change. Okay, means today you are going to think about that. Okay, weather condition is this. Okay, weather condition is this. Environment, based on the weather condition, wind condition will be also there, humidities will be also there. Okay, if weather condition is not changed, then what's the problem is that no any condition is going to change. Concept is that the variable that change in the relationship to change in the another variables, that is called the dependent. Means one person is dependent to another person. For example, if patient are not there, then what doctor will do? Getting my point? If patient are not there, what doctor will do? If
Nothing.
teacher professor are not there, then what student will going to do? Get my point?
Yes.
If supervisor are not there, then how people are going to do the research? The concern is that if you are going to relate to the professor, to the research scholar, okay, you are going to relate. Means here the main dependent means cases is student means research scholar is dependent on the supervisor, their consent, their directions, and their way of the implementation. Okay, but if you are doing the independent, means you are not dependent, you are just doing your research in a way, just like a Confucius, just like the Newton, and just like the Archimedes. People have done the research without any supervisor. Okay, people already done the research without any supervisor. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Graham Bell.
Yeah, Lord Graham Bell also there. Galileo are also one of person. They means they are Galileo was charged by the kings.
Yes,
You
sir.
are saying very wrong things.
Yes, sir.
They told me no, I am right. Well, how you are saying that? You are right. You are wrong. My belief system is going to change. You are going to change my belief system. Or if your king belief system is changed, it means you are criminal,
You are
Yes.
going to be.
and that's why I am going to punish you. You
Yes.
you you are going to. I am going to charge you, and you will be in the punishment. You will be in the prison. Okay. So research can change the belief system also. Okay, belief system also. And if belief system is going to change, means it's also dependent. Means they want to change or they don't to change. Okay. So
Sir.
concern is that if you are the variables that change in the relationship, change in another variables. Means if they are going to change, so that is the dependent variables. Okay. And if variables the change result in change to another variables, no, that's just can't. It's an independent variable, they can do their work. Okay. So independent variable is a one that in the case of the company, if you are going to that, you are on entirely based on the decision of your CEO. Okay. If they are not going to permit you, you should not do the research. You should not do did you should not going to perform the any productive work until and unless their approvals. Okay. So in
Yeah.
this case, the independent variable here variables may be the peoples, variable may be the materials, variables may be the resources or infrastructure, anything. Okay. So
Okay.
independent variable is one that influence the dependent variable is either or positive or negative on the problem. Okay. Means uh, people are people are waiting the directive of the World Health Organization. Okay. Based on the statement of WHA, we change our idea and concept also. Okay. Sometime, sometime earlier, he told you should wear mask. Sometimes they sold N95 mask you have to wear. Sometimes they told N90 mask is not working properly. Okay. Sometime they told you should be in a home. You should not buddy. You should not roam on the room. Sometimes they show
They
through
also
the
it is not
mosquito they can also spread. We all are dependent on the WHO report. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the dependent variables. Okay,
Yes.
but
Yes.
one people's we have not seen that. Even I'm going to share. I don't know what the situation in Bangladesh, but here in India, I have not seen even any single case in slum area due to COVID.
yes, sir.
Getting
I'm
my
also
point?
yes, sir.
Okay, I
I'm
have
agree.
not seen, I have not seen uh, any single case of the COVID in the slum area.
The beggars who are begging, they are not using mask, but they are fit and fine. I'm always encountering them. I'm also
So
asking them, using mask?
actually,
Yes, we don't
actually,
need.
he was not dependent on the WHO report.
Yes, sir. Ignorance
We
is
all
bliss.
are, we all are dependent on the WHO report.
Sir, ignorance is bliss.
So that's the thing. So I'm just sharing this concept about the thing. So that's why research hypotheses are there. It is a predictive statement that relate to independent variable to the dependent variable. Because you are going to do research, you have to be concerned about your topics, your problems, and if you are going to solve your problem, that problem shall be solved through the interrelated. Means you are going to research the blue ocean area for the business strategy. So you have to make the hypothetics or frameworks or concepts, yeah, algorithm. Then you have to fix about that, because in the synopsis, if you written that you are going to do hypothesis, or you are going to develop a framework, you are going to develop the framework. No changes are there. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
hypothesis must contain at least one independent variable or one dependent variable. That's why. So hypothesis is, it may be tentative, intelligent guess as to solution of the problem. Okay, we are just predicting. Okay, we are just predicting, just like the coronavirus vaccination. We are just predicting. So hypothesis is a specific statement of the prediction. WHO also did it. It describes in concrete terms what you expect to happen in a study. Or hypothesis is the assumption about the population of the study. Means how many peoples and how many uh, data we are going to gather, and how many people from how many people we are going to discuss with these questions, and what are their results. Okay, so hypothesis assumption about the population of a city, maybe the literature survey and like that, the exploratory studies or descriptions, it delimit the area of research and keep the research on the right track. Okay, it's also good area of the research and keep the researcher on the right track. You should not worry on that. Means today we are thinking, okay, I have to do the research on the blue ocean. Tomorrow we will know the blue ocean very tough. We will do the research on the red ocean. Otherwise, we will create on the green ocean. Okay, so you should not worry about that. That we will not reach over there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
means we
Now,
have.
now I am in the similar stage, roaming around
No, no,
that what would be the focus area.
no, you should not, because that's why I have already shared the literature survey to you. Okay, just study, be focused about that. Okay,
Yeah, yes, sir.
be focused, because this is not a one day study. Means doctorate are there, but I have already told you, doctorate is doesn't mean this is the end of research. It is just beginning of the research. Okay, it is just beginning of research, and you are academic satisfied. Okay, and socially approved scientific personnel. Okay, your concept, your knowledge, and your interpretation and your presentation are able to convince your CEO also, and that will increase the chance to be a CEO of that organization. Okay, because you are going to convince in the scientific manner. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you should not worry about that. So two things is that always we think what the problem and what the hypothesis, what the difference between that. Okay, so hypothesis is the assumption that can be tested and can be proved to be a right or wrong. Okay, so problem is already board questions which cannot be directly tested. Okay, means for example you are just thinking about that, okay, this is my problem, this is my problem, but this is not tested problem because this is not a problem. Get my point? Means right now you are wondering about that, what will happen tomorrow, what will happen tomorrow, but this is not a problem. Okay, this is only our your assumption or nothing else. Okay, this
Yes,
below
sir.
is going to open, that below going to open, but no. A problem can be scientifically investigated after converting it into a form of hypothesis. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
The problem can be scientifically investigated after converting into a form of hypothesis. So difference between problem and hypothesis is that problem is broad question which cannot be directly tested, but hypothesis can be tested. Okay, can be tested through the scientific way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
in
sir.
this cases, some characteristics of hypothesis may be that if you are going to create the hypothesis means you have already did the literature review. Okay, or if you already did the research review, that means your concept clarity is a clear. It should be clear and precise. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it may be a specificity, it should be specific and limited in the scope. Consistency should be consistent with the object of the research. Okay, and next is the testability. It should be capable of being tested. Means you are going to that guy, we studied 50 research pair based on the entire problem. So the common problem is this, 5 6 common problem on the based on that is problem, severe problem is this, and we are going to test this problem in the output of research. Okay, that's it. Okay, means you studied 50 research paper. Okay, based on that you studied and identified that is a 5 to 6 major area of the problem are there, or lots of authors are going to share there. Okay, based on that, this is the first, second, third, fourth area of the research, and we are going to conduct on the one first chapter, first point of the research. Through that we are going to test the hypothesis. So it may be the characteristic of a hypothesis that the conceptual clarity, specificity, consistency, testability, or expectancy. Okay. So characteristic of hypothesis is meant with simplicity. It should be stated as far as possible in the simple. Means not any technical word. Okay. You should not do the any technical word. Be simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Objectivity should not include value judgment, relativity terms, or any model PFC like that. Vertical development should be consistent with the substantial body of established and non-fact or existing theory, or availability of technique means it may be the theoretical method should be available for tested and the proposed hypothesis. I'm going to say that if I'm going to ask about that, you are intelligent, logical, intelligent guy. This is a very big question. How you are going to say that?
Sir?
I am going to say you are intelligent.
Maybe.
This is not
Aptitude
a.
test.
So based on attitude test, yeah, we will say that based on your past record, past academic record, we can say that you are intelligent. Okay.
Yeah.
If your qualification is throughout first class, it may be you are a student, you are intelligent. But it doesn't matter that uh, there's another way are there. Okay, means based on the statistical data, we can say that if you completed the first two throughout your first class, means you are intelligent guy. Okay, that is the assumption. Okay. So based on that availability of technique, based on the statistical data, we will also discuss this methodology. And I'm going to share something about that. The source of hypothesis, discussion with the colleagues. Okay. An expert about the problem, its origin, objective, seeking a solution, examination of data and record for possible trends and peculiarities, review of studies, what we are going to discuss about the literature review, exploratory personal investigation, observation, logical deduction from the existing theory, continuities of the research and intuitions and personal experience. That's all are the basic source of hypothesis. Okay. So this is a basic, very big, basic question about that. So same thing is that again is the come point of the type of hypothesis. So these are the assumptions that describe the characteristics such as size, form or distributions, variables. The variable may be object, person, organization, situation, or event, anything. Okay. What are the things? People is the variables, object is the variables, organization is variables, situation is variables, and event itself variables. Because we all are the variables. So this is called the descriptive criteria. For example, public enterprises are more amendable for the centralized planning. This is the example. Okay. Public enterprise are more amendable for centralized planning. What do you think about this?
Sir, public
What do you
enterprise
think?
are amendable.
Ah, public were more amendable for the centralized planning. It is right or wrong? What do you think?
Mm, more amenable. I think right.
Right. So question, this is the hypothesis. This is a descriptive hypothesis. So in this case, this is a descriptive hypothesis concern, means you have just described that, this have described that this is the hypothesis. Okay, maybe right, maybe wrong. Okay, that is another thing. But this is descriptive hypothesis, we have cleared that. And second is that rational hypothesis concern is assumption are that describe the relationship individually, relationship may be positive, negative, or casual relationship. For example, family with the higher income spend more for the recreation. Okay, what's
Higher
is
incomes.
there?
Family with
Higher
high.
incomes.
Family with the higher income spend more for the recreation. This is also relational. This is
Income and
re-
recreation
this
Dependence. It is.
relation.
this is the
Relation.
relation, means
Yes.
first example is those family who has higher income, they spend more for the recreation, means recreation is dependent on
Their
Higher
income.
incomes.
higher income.
Income. Yeah,
Okay,
higher.
income. And income is entirely dependent on the families, means family with the higher income spend more for the recreation. This
Yes, sir.
is also a hypothesis. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And another point is that casual hypotheses are also there that state that the existence of the change in the variable's cause or linked to effect of another variable. The first variable is called the independent variable and later is called the dependent variable. In this case, you are going to dash another thing is that null hypothesis. Sometimes when a hypothesis is state negativity is called the null hypothesis. Okay, but null hypothesis doesn't mean your research is not completed. Okay, means null hypothesis does not mean result is, means research is disqualified or not completed. What I'm going to say that, for example, for example, this pharma industry did the research, and based on that they are not going to perform the task about that say vaccination. So what will happen?
Sir, please again tell. I can't hear it.
Actually, first I've discussed about the descriptive and another means today next is the null hypothesis are also there. Okay, means you start the research but no any change, no any concern are there, no relation are there, but still due to this research. Okay, so in the cases means if you are doing research, so sometime research may be the null means no any conclusion you reach. Okay, no any conclusion you reach, it doesn't means you does not perform well and your research is not accomplished like that. Okay, so it
Sir,
is when hypothesis is state negativity, it is called null hypothesis. It is a no difference no relationship hypothesis. It is said that no difference exists between the parameter and status being compared, or no relation exists between the various being compared to usually represent at 0 or at 0. Means H4, H stands for hypothesis, H stands for
Null.
please 0 for not.
H hypothesis, H for hypothesis.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case you are able to see that as zero means null hypothesis. There is no relationship between a family income and expenditure on the recreation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
means some people are going to set means higher family with the higher income are more expenses on, they perform more expenses on the recreation. And another hypothesis is saying that there is no relationship between the family income and expense on recreation. Statement is same. Okay, but this is the null hypothesis, means they are not related with each other. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
in this case some alternative hypothesis, yeah, alternative some hypothesis means it is a hypothesis that describes the researcher prediction that there exists in relationship between two variables, or it is opposite of null hypothesis. It is represented as HA or H1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the way of representation. You should not worry about anything. For example, HA, there is a definite relationship between family income and expenditure on the recreation. Okay,
Sir.
means you are going to validate this question. You are going to validate this question. Okay, so for example, form of the relationship concerned non-directional and versal directional means goes that relationship between x and y, x linked to y, if x goes up to y or x increase x, y and x is dependent vary, y is dependent means this is just dependent, the link means we are giving a we know like that. So this is the form of relationship concerned. So directional concern x cause y means someone are going to say that vaccination lead to coronavirus. What are the chance? No, 0.01%. So if x change increase or decrease, then y will increase or there a casual link are there, the skies. So direction or relative concern, if x increase, y increase, a positive relationship. Getting? If
Yes, sir.
x increase,
Sir,
y increase.
may I say something?
Yeah.
Something is troubling Hussein also. He is saying again and again to mute me. But there is no noise from my side also. So Hussein
It's
is there.
actually, I think, the system from your device. There is some systematic issues. While you turn on your mic, the noise is appeared in my side. I
No,
can
no.
record it.
Maybe.
What the problem is that if noise is increased, then lots of dependent peoples are also facing the distortion. No. So if x increase, y increase, a positive relation, x increase, y decrease, a negative relation, means x is going to say something, y is not going to listen something, then that
I
is
am muted.
negative or inverse are there. So x change, y does not change, no change, no relationship like that. So in these cases, no direction concerned, there is a relation between x and y. These are the just example. Based on that, you also see the correlation relationship concern. Here is the values and green and white. You are also there. When value of two variable go together, or value x and y change in the same direction. Okay. For example, if you are going to calculate your age and education qualification, they are negative calculations also. The variables of two variables opposite direction. Okay, means I'm going to say something, you are not going to listen something, and you are not able to understand something, I'm not going to express something. Okay, so maybe some the cases so so the Hampton function is give the different point of investigation, direction of the study, determine data needs, specific the source of data, it suggests which types of research likely to be the more appropriate, determine the most appropriate technique of the analysis, like that it contribute to the development of the theory. So these are the basic concept about the hypothesis, or you are going to prepare this hypothesis after doing your literature review. Okay, after going to do the literature review. I think till date every topic is clear.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to share this slide also right now.
Yes,
Okay,
share.
I'm going to share this slide also right now.
So kind of you, sir.
Right now, and after that we will come on the different point of that. Okay, the thing is that right now, see, mainly this is the chat, this is the file, this is the computer, this is the this is the
Sir, please share it to me through via mail.
mm, 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 mm. So any questions, any questions still, you have any question?
Sir, may I audible?
I am audible. Okay, so keep continue your second part also there.
Please
This is
share
the
it.
intro research methodology, I think.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Introduction to research methodology. Yes, sir. Let
So
me
this
take
are
time to
this
download.
these two slide is a basic concept, basic foundation stone of the literature review. Okay,
Sir, sorry to
and
interrupt.
I think you have to download your research paper also, and tomorrow we will discuss in the different mechanisms as well as
Okay, sir.
how to prepare the technical peoples and technical reports and like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
anything, any question?
Sir, out of
No.
topic.
I have.
Huh?
Sir, I have.
Topic.
Topic?
Out of topic, sir.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, please share it to me through via mail. I'm not using laptop here.
I think just do it. Mohsin, just share with him. Okay.
Hussein, please share it to me through my mail.
Yeah, yeah. I already sent the first one. I will send it the current one. No problem.
Please share the second one, please.
Yeah, second one I will send. No problem.
So just do your work. You should not be about that, because academics and a degree is totally different thing. That is a social recognition, but your strategy or scientific methods will lead you on the different manner. Okay. So I think you should keep study your literature review. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If on your topic. Okay, on your respective, you should not worry about anything. Okay, because research is not a one day game. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because lots of belief system are there, lots of belief system we have to solve one by one. Okay, thank you for till date. Anything else? Any question? No. Okay,
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
thank you, thank you. Tomorrow we will meet again. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye, Hussein.
Bye.